This is a Eureka model 2097A from about 1978 in brandy wine color. This is the last Eureka to use the Cordaway cord reel, metal hood, and pancake motor. Where I said this one has the blender motor. Whereas this doesn't have an actual blender motor in it, but the appearance resembles a blender motor. That's what that's about. It's a 4.8 amp. This has a distinct whine to it. Replacement bag. I got this at the thrift store. This is how it came. Cloth bag, washed that. Been fully serviced. And Eureka always used these names to describe everything on here, like the regulator, which is the height adjustment, whereas this one has the dial-a-nap, edge cleaner, and vibra groomer. Notice it's vibra groomer 1. Ball bearings all around, and they're sealed, so there's nothing to lubricate. Oh, and another telltale sign you'll have the pancake motor is the vents on the side like that. It's a similar system to a convertible. It sucks air in through there, and positive pressure on the inside of the hood pushes everything out. Cord release is up top. So what we'll do, go ahead, lay this over. Bottom's similar. Notice how on the Vibra Groomer 1 it looks like this instead. If I can get in there to rotate it. There's the model number. Now to demonstrate, for the cord you just pull up, and when you release it, that little clamper holds it. And then when you're done, if I can hold it, like that. Now to date, this is the oldest Eureka in the collection. I'd love to get some older ones, especially ones with the moss green color, because that would be like my absolute favorite. This vacuum was also the first vacuum to introduce ESP, extra suction power, which is just this switch here, normal and power. And if you notice, Hoover came out with the power surge with the momentary switch for that. This actually locks on, latches both ways, normal and power. We'll mix things up a bit, and we'll just take some paper shreddings and throw on the floor, because we know Dyson can't handle that. Whoops, I've made a mess. Time to remedy that. Now I'm gonna go right into power mode. just for comparison purposes, I have on the right an early 80s Eureka with the blender motor, and the one I just did from the other video. The one on the right has a 4 amp blender motor, and the one on the left has a 4.8 amp blender motor. That one sounds. And then you have this one, a little higher pitched. But yeah, there you go. I wanted to also do this video, demonstrate the differences in sound between a pancake motor and a blender motor vacuum. Thanks for watching, and hit like and subscribe.